3 plus 7, 13. 4 plus 7, 15. 5 plus 7 equals 17. Then 7 plus 7 is what? So can you find the number that fills this logical sequence? Comment in a comment what number you have found and watch my solution in this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and hit the notification bell because here on the channel we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. Now take a good look to this resolution of the logical sequence. 3 plus 7 equal 10 equal 13, but actually it is 10. So how can we reach at 13? So if I'll do the twice of the first digit, that is 3 times 2, 6, and 6 plus 7, it is equals to 13. Right, now apply the same and check. 4 times 2 is 8 and 8 plus 7 is 15. Yes, this is also satisfied the equation. Then 5 times 2 is 10 and 10 plus 7, 17. Great job. Now 7 plus 7 is question mark. So what replaces the question mark? 7 plus 7, 14? No, not this time. So we have to do the multiplication, the first number with 2 and then add the second. So 7 times 2 is 14 plus 7 which is equals to 21. So what replaces the question mark? 21. Comment down below if you already cracked the logic of this logical sequence. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.